Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja, and in today's video you have this question where you are given x raised to power x is equal to what? Is equal to 3 raised to power x plus 243, right? Whenever you have this kind of question that you have where you have variable in the exponent and that too on both sides, okay, then always try to bring the variables on one side first, okay. Then after bringing the variable, always try to convert it in this form, that a raised to power a is equal to b raised to power b. Then you can easily compare the bases or exponents and you get a is equal to b, okay. And this is the case that we are getting here as well. So we will first try to slowly apply the rule of exponents and then slowly move forward, okay, with the question. So here, if we have a raised to power m plus n, we know that it is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n, right? Okay, so let me proceed here in the solution where we have x raised to power x is equal to, this can be written as 3 raised to power x and 3 raised to power 243. Now, what can I do? I can bring the variables on one side only. So if I divide with 3 raised to power x on both sides, what will I get? I will get x by 3 raised to power x, right? And is equal to 3 raised to power 243. Okay, here we have 3 raised to power 243. So now if we can somehow make here a raised to power a is equal to b raised to power b, okay. So like something raised to power something, this should be same, and here these should be same, base and exponent should be same. Then we can actually equate it, okay. If we see on left hand side, it is x by 3 raised to power x. It is not x by 3. If it was x by 3, our thing is done, left hand side is done, okay. So what if I take power 1 by 3 on both sides, okay, and you can write it here in the bracket. So taking cube root or power 1 by 3 on both sides, right? What will you get here? Left hand side we do not need to touch now. This is a raised to power a. And on right hand side we need to work. This is 3 raised to power 81. How can we make it like b raised to power b, base and power same? For that, if I try to break this 81 in 27 times 3, right? Or you can say 3 times 27, right? So that means you have 3 raised to power 3 times 27, and according to rules of exponent you can write it as 3 raised to power 3 power 27, because a raised to power mn is equal to a raised to power m raised to power n or a raised to power n raised to power m, right? So what will I do? I will write here 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 27, and then we get 3 raised to power 3 is 27 raised to power 27. That means x by 3 raised to power x by 3 is equal to 27 raised to power 27. Base and exponent are same in the left hand side, and similarly in right hand side as well, base and exponents are same. Now we can finally equate, which implies x by 3 is equal to 27. That means x is equal to what? 81, right? I hope you understood this. So whenever you get this type of question, always try to bring it in this form, okay. This will always help you. So if you liked it, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like to watch math riddles, you can visit me on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me there, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.